Today's an exciting day. Florida Task Force 2 is participating in Unmanned Aircraft System, a drone drill, a new technology for urban search and rescue that's developing, and we're lucky enough to be a part of its development. We've partnered with FIU, there's some drone vendors as well, and other aircraft system vendors that are out here to showcase their equipment, and we're looking to evaluate where we are as a team and where we need to grow and what needs we can identify today to move forward with our disaster mitigation in the future while using drone technology.
Drones are force multipliers. They allow departments of all sizes and shapes to add an extra dimension to their ability to rapidly respond to a crisis or a law enforcement situation or any sort of public safety type event.
Public safety agencies starting to use drones is widespread at this point. By and large, this is now giving the capability of every police department, every fire department in the country to now have its own aviation unit.
As you can see around us, we're operating drones, we're operating tethered balloons, doing damage assessments. Today we'll actually be using the Coast Guard helicopter as well as marine vessels as we try to simulate a real-life disaster so that these individuals be better prepared in the future when an actual disaster happens.
We have 4 scenarios. One of the scenarios, we put somebody in the water.
Being on the water makes sense to have something that we can easily deploy and get to the water for water victim rescue. So today's evolution, find the victim, triangulate its position, and then with our drone, fly out the buoy and drop the buoy to the victim.
The drone that we used was an Inspire 1 made by DJI with a special adaptive kit
that attaches to our drone that can easily carry up to a 2-pound payload to be delivered to a struggling victim, swimmer, or someone in the water. So the best thing is to have a search drone, primary search drone that locates the target, and your secondary drone just goes straight to that location and drops the payload.
They can search an area quicker and see where we're needed faster, and then we can get to where we need to go rather than wasting our time on areas that aren't in need.
This is our search and rescue with the debris pile. Right now you can see we have 2 drones flying in the air. We've got our visual observer as well as our pilot. We've got the dogs out there searching for victim bodies. Right now one of the drones is doing an exterior around the perimeter to see if they find anything. And then we have one drone directly over the pile looking for the body at this time. Well, it just gives us a quick different angle. We can get up in the air and see a completely different angle that we're not able to see when we show up on a scene. So it just gives us a whole bigger picture of everything that we need to see.
Hi, my name is Sylvia Arango. I'm a Canine Search Specialist for Florida Task Force 2, and this is my canine trip. The dogs could be accessing areas where we can't and we don't see the dogs. Having the drones be able to follow where the dogs are going would definitely be a plus.
Partnership between Florida International University, and we have to really give them a special thank you. Their Academy of Emergency Preparedness, who has invited us out here with their students to be able to participate in this drill. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. And it really shows what a collaborative effort when it comes to search and rescue and disaster mitigation really is. So this is our first step. We're excited to be here, and again, thank you to FIU for having us.